Dear students, I am Rabia Kamran on behalf of my YouTube channel Chalo Parho with Rabia.
A nomograph is a set of three equally spaced parallel number lines and a fourth line or a string used to set up and complete an addition or subtraction. A middle or third number line placed parallel and midway between the first two. Each number on the middle line is twice as large its corresponding value on the outer number lines. You can add, subtract integers, fractions, and decimal numbers on nomograph.
Actually, in this technique, we take three scales 1, 2, 3. The middle scale, you can see that it goes from 0 to 10 and then 0 to negative 10. And what about these two scales? 1 unit of this scale is double of 1 unit of this scale. You can see here also both the scales are same, left hand side and right hand side. I am taking some questions related to addition of integers. This is negative 5 plus positive 2. How will we solve that? On this scale, left hand side scale, we will take negative 5, and on this scale we will take positive 2 and we will add them. How will we do that? Let's see. Negative 5, where is negative 5? This is negative 5 and positive 2, this is positive 2. How will we solve that? I will draw a line from here to there like this. And you can see that what is our answer? Our answer is negative 3. So I will write here negative 3. Wherever the line will cut this middle scale, that would be your answer. We will solve this. This is positive 5 plus negative 2. So on left hand side we will take positive 5 because this is positive 5, and negative 2 on right hand scale. That is, I will draw a line over here, and the line, it cuts the main middle scale where you will get the answer. This is 3. Now we are going to add negative 5 and negative 2. So on left hand side scale we will take negative 5, and on right hand side scale we will take negative 2. Negative 5 and negative 2, what would be your answer? Wherever this line will cut on middle scale, that would be your answer, negative 7. Okay, now some more questions. Negative 2, negative 1. On left hand side I will take negative 2, this is here, and negative 1, this is here. I will draw a line. You can see that what would be your answer. Wherever the line will cut the middle scale, that would be our answer. So this is our answer, negative 3. You can see that how we are taking out our answers. This is negative 3 plus positive 4. How will we solve that? Negative 3 first. Here it would be. This is here negative 3. And what about 4? Positive 4. This is here. You can see. And I will draw a line from here to there. How will we? Let's see. I will draw a line like this. And this is your answer, positive 1. Let's take another question. Positive 4 plus negative 3. Where is positive 4? First let's see. This is positive 4 and negative 3. Where it is negative 3? This is here. I will draw a line from positive 4 to negative 3. So where it would be your answer? This is here, negative 1. Now this is positive 2 plus negative 3. Where it is positive 2? First let's remove it, and then positive 2. This is positive 2 and this is negative 3. Where it is? It is here, and I will draw a line from here to there. This is here, and your answer would be negative 1. Yes, that's it. Now the last, positive 1 plus negative 1. Where it is positive 1, so we will take positive 1, this is here, and negative 1, this is here. What would be your answer? This is 0. 0 is your answer. So this is